AI assistants like Siri and Alexa help us with simple tasks, but they always wait for our instructions. Now, imagine an AI that learns on its own, discovers new tools, and completes complex tasks from start to finish. No human hand-holding required. This is DeepAgent from Abacus AI. Not just a chatbot, but a fully autonomous AI worker. DeepAgent can read company documents, understand business goals, and figure out how to use different software to achieve those goals. It's like hiring a new employee who learns your systems in hours, not weeks. DeepAgent connects to your company's tools, adapts quickly, and starts delivering value almost immediately. This is a leap from AI as a helper to AI as a true collaborator. We're entering an era where AI agents can manage entire workflows, not just assist with tasks. In this video, we'll explore what makes DeepAgent unique, how it works, and what it means for the future of work. Let's dive in. DeepAgent is an autonomous AI agent built to perform complex business tasks by interacting with software, just like a human worker. Unlike traditional assistants, DeepAgent doesn't need step-by-step instructions. Give it a high-level goal, and it figures out the steps to get there. Think of it as a junior analyst. You assign a project, and it uses tools like Salesforce, Slack, and Jira to deliver results. DeepAgent's real power is its ability to work across multiple applications, orchestrating actions between them. It can pull data from one system, analyze it, create a report in another, and notify your team, all without human intervention. If it hits a roadblock, DeepAgent problem solves in real time, finding alternatives or alerting a supervisor. This isn't just automation, it's intelligent, adaptive action. DeepAgent is a robust partner for businesses ready to automate complex operations. It's a new breed of AI, one that can truly integrate into your workflow. DeepAgent's autonomy comes from its ability to learn software tools on the fly. It reads API documentation, like a new employee studying manuals, and learns how to use each application in seconds. DeepAgent orchestrates multi-step workflows, moving data and actions across tools like Salesforce, spreadsheets, and Slack. Security is built in. It manages credentials safely, acting as a trusted intermediary without exposing sensitive information. DeepAgent can also work alongside other AI agents, each specializing in different business areas. These agents collaborate, passing tasks just like a human team. The result? A scalable, secure, and adaptive AI workforce. DeepAgent isn't just a tool, it's the foundation for building an entire AI-powered team. Let's see DeepAgent in action. A marketing manager asks DeepAgent to launch a campaign targeting recent customers in the Northeast. DeepAgent identifies the audience in Salesforce, drafts personalized emails, posts the plan in Slack, and tracks progress in Asana. Once approved, it sends the campaign, monitors results, and reports back, handling the entire workflow. In software development, DeepAgent can log bugs, reproduce issues, suggest fixes, and assign tickets to the right developer. For sales, it generates weekly reports, analyzes data, and emails presentations to leadership. In finance, it automates expense approvals, checks receipts, and processes payments. DeepAgent streamlines routine, multi-step tasks across the organization, boosting efficiency everywhere. DeepAgent's biggest advantage? No complex setup. Traditional automation needs weeks of engineering and custom scripts. DeepAgent learns your tools instantly from API docs. It adapts as software changes, learning from successes and failures. No constant reprogramming required. This self-improving loop makes DeepAgent smarter and more efficient over time. It's also cost-effective. Less manual setup, lower maintenance, and accessible automation for businesses of any size. Scaling is simple. Just give DeepAgent a new goal, and it leverages its knowledge to tackle new tasks. You can automate marketing today, sales tomorrow, and support next week. No new development projects needed. DeepAgent enables true organization-wide automation. It's not just a tool, it's a platform for building a connected, efficient business. The future of automation is here. DeepAgent is powered by a cutting-edge large language model, similar to ChatGPT. This LLM understands natural language, breaks down requests, and creates step-by-step plans. DeepAgent builds a knowledge graph, a map of your company's tools and how they connect. When given a task, it consults this map to choose the best tools and sequence of actions. Security is handled by a secure proxy layer, which manages credentials in an encrypted vault. DeepAgent never directly accesses sensitive data. The proxy handles authentication safely. An orchestration engine coordinates everything, ensuring each step is executed smoothly. After each task, DeepAgent learns from the outcome, updating its strategies and knowledge. This cycle of planning, acting, and learning makes DeepAgent truly adaptive. DeepAgent is groundbreaking, but challenges remain. It relies on clear API documentation. If manuals are poor, it can struggle. Handling conflicting instructions and setting safe boundaries are crucial for responsible AI action. Context switching, juggling multiple tasks like a human, remains a technical hurdle. Future versions will improve memory, multitasking, and even learn from new sources like videos or websites. The goal: an AI collaborator, not just a tool. DeepAgent is a milestone, pushing AI from simple assistance to full autonomy. It promises to automate complex workflows, freeing humans for creativity and strategy. The era of autonomous AI workers has begun, and it's set to reshape the workplace. What would you delegate to an AI like DeepAgent?
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.